Hi, so what do you think about these new foldable phones? Pretty cool, right? Definitely more exciting than those regular glass bricks everyone's carrying. I'm not exactly a huge Samsung fan, but hey, they usually make really solid phones. Still, this whole foldable thing comes with its own pros and cons. And the biggest downside? Yep, durability. I've seen a bunch of videos where the Flip 6 survives crazy tests, even sand tests. But guess what? Mine just slipped out of my hand, fell on a carpet from about half a meter while closed, and boom, the main screen touchscreen stopped working. And so did the USB-C port. The phone was brand new, no visible damage at all, so I had to send it for warranty repair. But here's the worst part. Everything that wasn't backed up to the cloud, gone. Later, I found out that because of its complicated design, a phone can disconnect the touchscreen and USB cables inside. And since the USB port was dead, I couldn't even plug it into a computer to copy my files. I only managed to save the stuff that I could reach from the teeny outer screen. Here's an interesting tip. Though if you connect a Bluetooth mouse to your phone, you can use it to control everything. This trick works not only on the Flip 6, it works on other phones too. So if you like me and not super careful with your phone, and you got a lot of important stuff on it, do yourself a favor. Pair a Bluetooth mouse with it now, just in case. Because if the touchscreen ever dies and your USB port also goes out, you won't able to do it later, not even with an RTG adapter.